Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will discuss two stocks in which we will see the multi-year breakout strategy. So let's get started. So if you see this stock named Oracle Financial Service Limited OFSS. So here first the stock made a high in August 2015. So I will mark this level. Okay. Then we can see the stock tried to touch this level in 2018 September month. Then again it tried to give breakout on its second attempt in 2021. Okay, here you can see in this week we can see stock has given breakout. So we can see the multi-year breakout happened from 2015 to in 2021, which is almost 6 years of breakout. But unfortunately here this breakout failed and stock went down. And again you can see it tried to give breakout here, which is September 2023, and finally we can see it gave breakout here. Okay. January 2024. So our ideal entry should be in the following week, and we can keep around 15 to 20% of stop loss. And to calculate the expected target, we will calculate the range. So I'll just calculate the range considering the bottom and top of this range. So which will come around this, or we can take this thing. And then we will place this range over the breakout range. So ideally this should be our target, which was coming around 7301. And we can see after this multi-year breakout in almost 3 weeks we achieved the target. So we can see in just 28 days the target of around 58% was achieved. After achieving our target also, the stock went up till we can see 13,164. So this is the power of multi-year breakout strategy. And now I will show you one stock in which I can see similar setup. So in this stock, first it made a high in May 2011. I will mark this level. Then it tried to give breakout here but did not give. This is in June 2014, and finally it gave breakout in 2015. So we can say this is a multi-year breakout of around 2011 to 2015, which is around 4 years of time frame. But unfortunately here the breakout failed and stock might have hit stop loss. Okay, then we'll move forward. Again in 2024 the stock gave breakout of around 13 years of range. Okay, but once again the breakout failed, like the stock went up little, we can see till 22%, and then again it went down. And finally after consolidating over here, we can see some consolidation happened in this range, and now the stock has once again given breakout here, which is in December 2025, and still the stock is still consolidating here. So we need to see whether this stock will give a good up move, and for that we need to calculate the range now. So again I will just mark the range. We'll place this over here and mark the target. So the ideal target is coming around 730 levels, which is around If we consider the entry in January 2026, so which is around 69% of target. So yeah, we will see if this target is achieved in this stock based on our multi-year breakout strategy. And guys, please make a note, this video is just for learning purpose only, not a buy, sell or hold recommendation. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the video. I will see you in the next one with some another stock. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.